Fate for me is like what? Daily backups. If I skip one, the risk isn't just losing a file, diba? It's losing peace, losing clarity, losing my focus on what actually matters. And as an INTJ, I'm a sucker for systems. If my mental OS is out of sync, not zinc, or what? This is not a health show, zinc, vitamin Z, out of sync, SYNC. I feel it instantly. Yeah. When you back up your files daily, you just don't panic, diba? When your hard drive fails because you know there's a copy somewhere safe. Fate works the same way. Well, if my day crashes, diba? Hindi yung crash mo, but crashes. Wala akong crashes by the way, so yeah, had a lot of crashes in my hard drive. Anyway, so I can reboot. So if my day crashes, I can reboot because I've already stored my joy, my hope, my perspective in something more permanent than my own emotions.